Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Guider Pro. Today we're diving into an awesome opportunity that lets you turn your creativity into cash. Print on demand. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just someone with a knack for clever slogans, print on demand can help you make money from anywhere in the world. So let's get started. What is print on demand? Simply put, it's a service that allows you to create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and sell them without having to worry about inventory or shipping. When a customer orders a product, the print-on-demand service prints it and ships it directly to them. It's a hassle-free way to run an online business. Here's how it works. First, you design your product. Next, you upload your design to a print-on-demand platform. When someone buys your product, the platform handles printing, packing, and shipping. You earn a profit from the sale without ever touching the product. Easy peasy, right? Now let's look at some of the best platforms for print on demand. These are the heavy hitters that can help you turn your designs into dollars. First up, Printful. It's one of the most popular print-on-demand services out there. They offer a wide range of products, from apparel to home decor. Printful integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, making it easy to set up your online store. Plus, they have no upfront costs. You only pay when you make a sale. Next, Redbubble. It's a marketplace for independent artists, so it's perfect if you're looking to reach a broader audience without having to set up your own website. Redbubble handles everything from printing to customer service. You just upload your designs, set your margins, and start selling. And third, Teespring. It's great for creating and selling custom merchandise. Teespring allows you to create a storefront and promote your products through social media integrations. They also offer Teespring Boosted Network, which can help you get your products in front of more potential buyers. All right, let's get into some spicy tips for designing and marketing your products. Because having awesome designs is just the start. You've also got to get them in front of people's eyes. First, create unique and trendy designs. Keep an eye on current trends and see what's popular in your niche. Use tools like Google Trends and Pinterest to get inspiration. But remember, always add your unique twist to stand out from the crowd. Second, use high-quality graphics. Your designs need to look professional and appealing. If you're not a graphic designer, consider using tools like Canva or hiring a designer on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Crisp, clear designs are more likely to catch someone's eye and lead to sales. Third, optimize your listings. Use strong, descriptive titles and keywords that potential customers might search for. Write compelling descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of your products. The better your listings, the easier it is for people to find your products. Fourth, leverage social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are great for promoting your products. Share your designs, show them in use, and engage with your followers. Use hashtags to reach a wider audience and consider running ads to boost visibility. Fifth, offer limited-time promotions. Create urgency by offering discounts or special deals for a limited time. This can encourage people to make a purchase sooner rather than later. Everyone loves a good deal. Let's talk numbers. How much can you actually make with print on demand? Your earnings depend on various factors, like the quality of your designs, pricing, and marketing efforts. On average, you can expect to earn anywhere from a few dollars to over $20 per sale. The key to maximizing your earnings is to continuously create and promote new designs, optimize your pricing, and keep an eye on what's selling well. To maximize your earnings, focus on building a diverse portfolio of designs, consistently update your store with new products, and engage with your customers to build a loyal following. The more effort you put into designing and marketing, the more successful you'll be. And there you have it. By following these steps and leveraging platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring, you'll be well on your way to making money with print on demand. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, here at Money Guider Pro, we're all about turning your creativity into cash. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.